Hi, in this session we'll see login and log off from SAP. So to log into SAP, just double click on SAP logon pad and select the ECC 6.0, which is R3, and just click on logon button. So you'll be getting the login screen, and here you have to give the login details of client, user, and password. So these details will be given to you from your basis people. You can just contact them. So client, user, password is mandatory and language is optional. So when you click on this, you will be getting into SAP Easy Access screen, which is initial screen after login screen. And here in this screen, you will be having, this is menu bar, and these are the menu items, and this is a menu sub items. So SAP Easy Access screen consists of the menu bar and standard toolbar. So this is a standard toolbar, the second row. And in the standard toolbar, we have one important component, which is command field. And third row is called as title bar. And here the fourth row is application toolbar. So we call application toolbar like it is allow us to create customized icon, and we can place in on the application toolbar, whereas standard toolbar icons are like cannot be altered, like they are standard throughout any of the SAP screen, whereas application toolbar icons will be varied from screen to screen. And on the left hand side, you can see this is called as a navigation area, and on the right hand side you can see it is a screen area, and you can also see it is showing it as IDS. IDS is like a demo system provided by SAP AZ for learning purpose. And here we have status bar in the below, and which will display the messages, and this is a status list. You can just select a client or user or any other thing to display. Yes, from here we'll just have a look on the navigation area. So if you want to go to the GL account, so I need to navigate from accounting, financial accounting, GL account, master records, again GL account, individual processing, and I need to just double click on this. You can see the messages here. So if I click on this, it is showing edit GL account centrally. So just click to go back to previous screen. So if you want to get to, if you want to get this screen, I need to remember all these paths, right? So accounting, financial accounting, GL account, master record, GL accounts, individual processing, and centrally. So which is very difficult to remember the path. So instead of that, we have an option, alternative is there. So if you double click on this, and if you check in the status list, you have under the transaction, it is showing as FS00, which is called as a transaction code. So you can execute the transaction code from command field instead of remembering the navigation path. So which is very easy. So just click on back and just execute FS00 from the command field, and you will get to the same screen. So this is how we will execute the transaction code. So transaction codes are very important to remember. Instead of remembering the path, you can just remember these things. So some of the transaction codes used in ABAP or S11 ABAP dictionary. So just click on back, and SC38, this is ABAP editor, and SC80 object navigator or ABAP development workbench. So we can just click on back. So if you don't want to go to the easy access screen, or you cannot access when you are in one transaction, you cannot directly access the transaction code of another transaction. Like I want to go to SC71, which is SAP script. So to go to this SAP scripts or form painter, you need to just give /n. So which is like similar to going to the easy access screen, and from there we are going to SC71. So just hit enter. Now I'm directly into form painter. So you can either just go back and give the transaction code, or if you are in this transaction and I want to go to another transaction, say SC51, then you can give /n SC51, which is a screen painter. Okay. So you can just use this. Transaction codes are important. And to log off from SAP, you can just click on the log off icon. You can one option, you can just click on system log off, or just click on the right top left corner. You have close and install. You can use this, or you can just use /nex as well from a command field. So you can also use this cancel button, but that will not ask for confirmation of the log off. So I'm just clicking on the log off icon, shift F3 shortcut, and just say yes to log off. So this is how we log in and log out from SAP. I'm just closing the log on screen. Thank you.